Thank you, Dolly. Do you want to say that again? Are you a bit tired? You're going to stop talking when I talk. Well, I'll be quiet for a moment, okay? Is that good? Okay, Dolly, tell us a story, please. Okay. Anything else? You look a bit tired, actually. Is it birdie nap time? Dolly's nap time? Good night, Dolly. Oh, I love you, Dolly. You're such a good girl. Good night. Say good night, good people. You looking for all the good people? They're here in the phone. You're having to think about it. Night night, Dolly. Oh, that was a lovely good night. Oh. Oh, thank you, Dolly. That's so pretty. You want to do your little love song. Bye-bye, Dolly. Love you too. Okay, get a little scratch. Fair enough. We all know what that's like. All right, night-night, Dolly. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Love to all. Hope you enjoyed Dolly's talk time. Bye-bye, Dolly. I do that. I go, so I couldn't whistle. So that's why she's learnt that. Is that you, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't think it was her because her mouth wasn't moving. I'm thinking, hold on, how did she project that sound? But she will make that sound, which is the sort of the sound of a magpie. Anyway, I must go. Love to all. Bye for now.